In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on Sendwave, step-by-step guide 2025. If someone is sending you money with Sendwave, this walkthrough will help you get it smoothly and avoid common hiccups. Start by making sure you already have a Sendwave account set up on your phone. Download the app from your official app store, sign up with the mobile number you use every day, and complete any identity checks the app requests. Take a moment to confirm your legal name, country, and preferred currency are correct, and if your region supports it, add your receiving method such as a mobile wallet or bank account so you're ready to use the funds as soon as they arrive. Next, share your details with the sender exactly as they appear in your app. Typically, they'll need your full name, the phone number registered on your Sendwave account, your country, and how you want to receive the money. Double check spellings and numbers. Even a small typo can delay delivery. Only share what's required for the transfer, and never share passwords, verification codes, or one-time PINs. Now, wait for the transfer to be sent. Ask the sender to confirm the amount and currency, and to let you know once they see a successful status on their end. Most transfers arrive quickly, but timing can vary by destination, bank processing hours, and compliance checks. Keep your phone on and connected to data. When the money is on its way, you should receive a notification from Sendwave by push notification, SMS, or email depending on your settings. Open it to view the details, and keep any transaction reference the sender shares with you. If you don't see alerts, check your notification permissions inside your phone settings and within the app. Open the app and check your balance. You should see the new amount reflected in the correct currency. If it's missing, refresh the app, sign out and back in, or verify that you're looking at the right receiving method. If the expected delivery window has passed, reach out to support with the transaction reference so they can trace it. Finally, withdraw or use your money. You can cash out to a linked bank, move it to a mobile wallet, or pick up cash where available. Review any fees or limits, confirm recipient details before confirming, and bring valid ID for cash pickup. Keep your app updated and secure with a passcode, and you're all set to receive funds with confidence.